I opted for a skin yoga 14 days program to get my acne treated. Actually, I'm very glad that I took this program as it has brought nice changes in my skin. I used to have reddish tomato like skin, and as my complexion is fair enough, it looked really bad. I had quite a lot of acne as well. Now my redness has reduced to almost 10%, so it is very less now. Acne has also got quite lesser. I can see reduced open pores on my cheeks too, so that is also an improvement. I really like these ideas as we can continue some masks, drinks, post program as well, like are part of daily routine as they are easy to do and easy to go with. So I thoroughly enjoyed using all the masks and tasks. So they have explanation for each mask and task to be done, which can definitely help me in future too. So I know advantage of each task, each mask. So yeah, that is quite useful. So thank you, and I would recommend this program to all the girls who are facing skin issues. Give a try to this program. It is really helpful. This is a fantastic change, and I'm thankful to the Skin Yoga team. Really, thank you so much. Thank you.